Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, SHIB to list on DeFi exchange Parix tomorrow. Parix decentralized exchange spreads the word about its plans to start trading Shiba Inu tomorrow, on April 20th. Another trading platform lists SHIB 2 days ago. Parix exchange announced that it intends to launch Shiba Inu deposits and trading on its platform on April 20th. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. The meme token will be paired against USDT. Earlier this month, Today reported that several other exchanges around the world had added support for the Shiba Inu meme cryptocurrency. However, unlike those platforms, Parix is a decentralized crypto exchange. Decentralized platforms allow for transactions to occur using the peer-to-peer technology securely without a third party acting as an intermediary. The launch of Parix was announced on March 23, according to Bloomberg. It was launched on my DEX chain network using the DRC16 protocol. The platform is different from other exchanges as it has an inbuilt PRX token that is mineable and works using the Proof of Interoperability protocol. The latter ensures that PRX can bridge to other blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, Polkadot, etc. SHIB listed by Robinhood earlier this month. Today covered that Shiba Inu was listed by South African digital exchange VALR. Besides, the much-expected listing by the Robinhood trading app finally took place for the canine token SHIB. Robinhood added Shiba Inu on April 12, along with 3 other popular altcoins, Polygon's Matic, Compound and Solana. That event pushed the SHIB price up over 20%. Still, it failed to even reach the October all-time high of 8,845. As of this video, the token is changing hands at 2,513, which is 71.51% below that historic price mark. Shiba Inu Metaverse sale has raised nearly $20 million so far. Some 6,000 ETH has been spent in the Shiba Inu Metaverse. The SHIB army has purchased land in the Shiba Inu Metaverse totaling almost $20 million in Ethereum, less than a week into the SHIB land sale event. According to the 2 contracts for the land auction, holders have spent 6,280 ETH on land in Phase 1 and Phase 2 of the sale so far. This comes from just a small section of SHIB holders, however. It remains closed off to Leash and Shiboshi holders until the weekend's public sale launches. Here's a more in-depth look at the state of the Metaverse land sale, nearly a week in. SHIB Metaverse sales. According to Etherscan, the largest individual transaction in the SHIB Metaverse sale saw one user spend 36.3 ETH, $110,712. However, this bid was not on a single plot of land. Instead, it took advantage of the multi-bid format added in during Phase 1. In this transaction, the user purchased 121 separate plots of land, for an average of 0.3 ETH. However, other users have purchased more plots of land. 2 users own 200 pieces of land in the Shiba Metaverse, the maximum one individual was allowed to purchase. Another user, however, appears to have surpassed this, now owning 209 NFTs in the SHIB Yard collection of land. They spent 40.8 ETH across 8 transactions to make these purchases. So far, there are 3,337 owners of land in the Shiba Metaverse, with a total of 12,975 plots minted. While some single transactions spent over 4 ETH on a single piece of land, future sales are at fixed prices. These will vary depending on the location on the Metaverse map. With 100,000 plots of land eventually set to exist in SHIB the Metaverse, the remaining land will only unlock once the initial 36,000 plots of land first released sells out. Shiba developer Eric M. noted the amount raised, adding the significance of the market's current position as relevant context. On the Shiba Discord, he said, "How many times have you raised almost $20 million in 5 days? On a crashed market? The funds raised from this Metaverse sale will go towards further development, with the Shiba Inu team still expected to name their AAA development partner for the project. Initially expected to happen in late March, this partner has yet to be revealed." This is when to buy Shiba Inu before it breaks out. Shiba Inu price undergoes a bearish wave as Fed official paints a dire picture of the rate path. SHIB price is further on the back foot as quarterly earnings put investors on edge. Expect to see money flow out of SHIB, with a correction back to 2,200. Shiba Inu price slips back below 2,600 as price action undergoes a rejection by the monthly pivot at 2,550 after forming a bull trap. Additionally, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is slipping below 50, showing that investors' interest is fading as traders are on edge due to the fact the new earnings quarter is set to kick in today, and Fed comments this morning painted a possibly even more hawkish rate path for the near future. That last one is important for setting the scene of risk appetite in the coming weeks and months and is pushing SHIB price towards 2,200 for now, resulting in a 12% loss. SHIB price sees investors doubting, sidelined for the proper pullback to jump in. Shiba Inu price is slipping further to the downside after bulls tried to return above the monthly pivot at 2,550 on Monday. Instead, bulls got hammered at the open on Tuesday as volume picked up after the bank holiday. Investors already got a rude awakening by a few comments from a Fed official pointing to a 0.75% rate hike on the docket at the next Fed meeting. Asia-Pac investors quickly returned their SHIB tokens for hard cash and looked to stay sidelined for a while. SHIB price thus will bleed further into the session today and possibly for the next few days to come. Tomorrow Netflix will be reporting its earnings after the bell, which will be taken as a leading indicator for FAANG stocks in the Nasdaq, an event that will be closely watched. Expect investors to keep pulling their cash out of SHIB price, resulting in a 12% correction towards 2,200 with the longer-term green ascending trendline, the monthly pivot S1 just below and the double bottom from April 11th as trifecta for catching price action. John Richmond to buy store in Shiba Inu Metaverse as public sales of SHIB virtual lands may start this Friday. SHIB, the Metaverse has recently entered into its 7 days holder event, following the successful completion of its initial stage, i.e., the 3 days early access land bid event, on Saturday, April 16. The competition remained fierce as 4,500 plus transactions were tracked during the first phase. Holder event is exclusive, and is supposed to be yet another opportunity for those who could not participate or place bids for lands during the initial stage. As per SHIB Informer, the official member of the SHIB ecosystem, the exclusive holder event is set to end on Friday, and public sales of the virtual lands will start, i.e., anyone will be able to buy land without leash, Shiboshi's restrictions. Following this, an Italy-based clothing brand and one of the official partners of SHIB ecosystem, John Richmond, has expressed his interest in buying a virtual land for its store in SHIB Metaverse via tweet, which was highlighted by Satoshi Kusama. On the 28th of February 2022, Shiba Inu declared that they had stepped into the fashion industry by partnering with John Richmond, an English fashion designer based in Italy. On March 26, 2022, John Richmond officially announced the acceptance of SHIB on leash at their online shop via Now Payments. At the same time, the famous clothing brand declared that it would also contribute to the burning of SHIB. As per the announcement, John Richmond will use 9% of its profit per sale to burn SHIB and 1% to burn leash. Many usually know John Richmond as a rock and roll brand. Some of the biggest names in music have shown their special love as Madonna, Mick Jagger, and Annie Lennox have all been dressed by Richmond, whose collections are often influenced by musical movements. John Richmond is a true legend in the artistry and vision for the world of fashion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.